you guys know me on Minecraft as Catniner99. Shut up, it's my nickname. And I'm here with Caitlin72825, and I'm at Kitty10678 Den. I'm confused. I'm Elsa! Can't sit on the chair! I want to be Elsa! I can't sit on the chair! Shh! She'll never find me. She'll never find me, guys. I'm having the best hiding spot ever. What? I don't know what you're talking about. You haven't found me. No, you didn't.
I totally did. You know what? No, I totally did. Oh, you're such a good hider.
I'm such a good hider. Like, oh my gosh.
Totally.
You'll never find. No, seriously though. I left that place. I'm hiding. I'm hiding, and you'll never find me. No, 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 no. Wait, is that you? Oh, go to my den then. Later, loser. You'll never find me. I got stuck.
Hey, now let's customize the animals except you moving. Okay. I have to do my cheetah now.
I gotta do my. Who do I have to
I
do?
love my cheetah's look the way it was, obviously. And probably put that same exact look back on.
Well, I'm saving up for a cheetah, so I have like 4 more.
Look, Rob. Like, oh my god, I got pizza. I got pizza.
I just see you holding your pizza floating in the midair. Okay, so I'm gonna base this off my dog in real life. So I need forever alone. Oh, oh, that looks like Flora-ish color. I guess. Oh my god. And she has dark brown eyes. And she doesn't wear a collar.
My sister thinks I'm a scammer because I traded her an aviator hat for a mummy glove. She said yes. She's like, you scammer? And since the aviator hat came back, and I'm like, be quiet while I'm munching on pizza. It's not red. You like it?
Yeah, I guess it's okay.
So yeah, at the end of this video, I'm gonna send her a secret item, and then you know. Like,
Dun, dun, dun. Let me make up my handsome boy look handsome, I guess. Because I have a boy, because that's how I roll, man. I mean, don't judge. It's just rude.
alright, this is gonna be
Did you just, like...
This is gonna be the same exact look as my snow leopard, but
Ew.
whoa, I did this totally wrong. Oh no. Nobody can blame me.
I just did. I blame you.
I don't care. Is you going to say I blame you? Yeah, nothing happened in the
Ew, that looks horrid. Oh my god, where's the silver glove? Okay, my boy's done. Handsome boy is done. Are you flippin' flying?
No.
Caitlin! Okay, guys, well, I have my last my last animal to do right now. And that is my gorgeous little fox called Crunchy Cute.
One more animal after my eagle. Oh my god. Because you have more, no, you have less items than me. So I have more
Just shush, just shush, just shush, shush.
Alright, this outfit is gonna be completely random. I'm not putting any thought to it. Never mind, I put some thought.
Ew, no. Did you break up again? Yeah, guys, I think she, is not here anymore. She lagged out again. Guys, again. Did you hear me? Again. That girl needs to, start thinking about other people. No, I'm kidding, okay? I'm kidding. So, just don't go hate on her channel, okay? No, guys, in the comments, I want you to put, happy birthday for as long as you want. Got it? Put in her comments. Got it? Thank you. Hopefully she can't hear me. If she can't, I'm dead meat. Okay. I'm so fancy. You already know. Remember my name. From LA to Tokyo. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about the random moment. I couldn't help myself. I'm so okay, I'm excited to see this video. Well, Caitlin is still lagged out. I think her computer either died. Sorry about that interruption. That was my mom calling me for something. Anyways, Caitlin still is not back, and, let's go see my other friends who are on. The awesome girl. She's my friend, so I'm gonna visit her dad. Sorry about my voice, guys. It's not very good. My throat really hurts, badly. And I need to switch my animal, goodness. Hello. Hello. Hi. Who's that? I'm scared now. It's a dude. I'm gonna leave now. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, okay, good, we're buddies. Oh, that scared me. Oh, good, she's back. What the heck happened? Oh, hey. Well, I'm still recording, so I gotta go over to my friend's place because we were talking, so come with me. Of course I'm recording, but I made a really random part, which I probably should edit out, but I don't think I will, just because. I don't mind. I think I just walked in on people's conversation and they're dating, so I kind of feel awkward now. Seriously, come TP to me. I feel bad now. I feel like I just interrupted and it makes me feel the Awesome Girl 100.
Oh my god, it's like the Awesome Girl 100. Spell it.
It's just one word. The Awesome Girl 100. Yeah.
What? No, that's not it. Okay, take it again. Is there any cap?
No.
PHEASOMEGIRL 100. It says she can't be found.
The Awesome Girl 100?
Yeah. Show me your screen.
I'll show you her name. Hold on, I'm like trying not to like.
Keep it there.
Sorry guys, on my watch, yeah.
There we go, I got
Turn
it.
the video off.
Ah.
I'm gonna put, did I interrupt? Did I interrupt? I did. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm almost done with this video, unfortunately. Who the heck is that kid? Who are you? Oh, that's you! Whoops-a-daisies. Well, anyway, guys, I have to go, but, it was fun doing my first Animal Jam video, and thank you so much to Caitlin for being in it. By the way, she's recording on her side. Goodbye, everybody. Stay beautiful.